Yeah, lads. So, let me put the window up so nobody left thinks I'm weirdo talking to the camera. We're in Blackpool now. I've not said much about this, to be honest. Kind of kept it a little bit secret. The only sort of news I give away was on Instagram when I posted the story. If you're not going to my Instagram, go follow me. But we're here. I've not really done much of a video on the way because it's just going to make me more excited. So we're literally around the corner. So this is going to be a bit of a just checking you didn't hit anybody. Oh, let's be seatbelt, but fuck the seatbelt, we're not bothered. So when I said first right and then first left.
Yeah, but you said that when I got to the bottom of the road, so it didn't make sense.
So we're pulling up to Ruben's now. I have seen teasers of it, but I don't know what to expect. Don't drive forward, what are you doing? You nearly ruined the whole surprise. I'm getting out of this car. Good afternoon. I'm alright. I'm not looking, lad, not looking. I'm going here, mate. I'm just gonna chill here. Ho, 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 ho. I'm ready. Are the wheels clean? Have you cleaned them a little bit? As long as they're not mad dirty, because they're making the car look really dirty, to be honest with you. Just can't wait to listen to her. It feels like I've been gone without about 3 weeks for her. She is loud, I do know that she's loud. I do own the car, Ruben. So how stressful has this experience been? Has it gone alright? It's gone lovely, has it? I'm not gonna lie, when I pulled up a second ago, I did see the colour a little tiny bit. But it wasn't enough for me to...
Not sitting outside though.
No. Why, is it flecking the sunlight?
A little bit, yeah.
It will...
You ready?
I'm ready. We'll listen to a purr. Oh. Hey, she's cold there, mate. Oh. Look at it. Oh, it's such a nice colour, isn't it? Oh, the guy who's powder coating my wheels. Powder coating?
Powder coating.
Powder coat. What? Fucking hell. Powder coating? Yes. He showed me a rose gold colour.
Ah, is that what you were going to say?
Right, I've left it too long for the camera. Well, spin it around. Actually, I'm going to do a little montage to show you, so cut to the montage.
I believe in love, I believe in honesty. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't want to share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
It's recording, don't worry. I'm just getting the thumbnail. Like, I'm not joking, I feel like my arm's gonna snap any time I do it.
Should go to the gym more then.
How did I do it? To get a mid.
What?
I wanted you to hurt my neck doing that. Hose pipe ban on now. Is it tomorrow?
What does that mean? I can't use my water?
Well, you can because you're a business, so you're allowed. But like for personal reasons, I don't think you're allowed to. So get all the boys round tonight where we can while it's still legal. It's like purging it. Like, you actually don't know how much difference a sunstrip makes. It makes it actually like a rally car in here. I was just saying, like, sunstrips make such a good difference, don't they? Like, they only look small from the outside, but like when you're sat inside, it feels like you're in a race car. That's a good shot. Right, so I think we're gonna love you and leave you, Ruben. I think we're gonna love you and leave you. Go for a drive down the beach. Thank you very much.
Until next time.
Till next time. Till I want something else next. Full deep space, full rose gold wrap. See you later. What did you say? Antisocial since I was born. While we were in Blackpool, we thought, let's drive down. Is it the prom or the strip?
Promenade.
Promenade. Am I in the shot there?
Yeah.
So we'll see how many looks we get. So we'll try and do a shot cam. If anyone's seen that, I think it's by that DMO DG. Basically, he's got like a AMG C63. He does shot cam, so he'll wait at lights and someone will ride past. He'll shot cam. But we're not going to do that because I don't want to be too much of a dickhead. But we'll drive down Blackpool and see how many people look at us. Of course we get stuck in traffic. Of course. Now I really want to go to a meet tonight, but I don't know if that's going to be happening. By the way, we're sitting in this traffic here. It's done, like moving about 1 mile an hour, but we'll see when we get home. I really want to get to this meet like really bad. I just want to show everything off, but we'll have to see. Right, I just need to point this out, right? He gets a free splitter off a company, right? So he's repping the shirt, the hat. He's repping the hat.
Don't forget this.
And Delta Crew, oh my god. And this is the last thing he's doing. He gets a free splitter off a company and now apparently he's the little fanboy. Delta Crew, hang on. Delta Crew. So now technically Delta needs to send me about 3 splitters because I've just given so much free promotion there. So whoever you are, to be fair, the splitter's alright. I'm not gonna lie, the splitter's quite cool, mate. But yeah, I'll just give you loads of free promotion for that, so they're gonna have to sort me out now. She's very chubby, look at her. That's a great picture right there, I'll tell you that. This roof is very unacceptable. Unacceptable? Unacceptable?
Unacceptable.
Unacceptable. Yeah, no worries, mate. Look at the purple. Whoa, beast.
I'm gonna move before you set your legs on fire.
You want to wait flutter from the front, it sounds fucking insane.
Does it?
Yeah. Stormtrooper.
Let it warm up first, mate.
You want to see the air filter?
Yeah, I do want to see it. What, the air filter? Does it?
It's got a cage around it, but all the stuff inside, you can see it fucking sucking in like a mushroom.
They're so long, aren't they? Do it again from the front. Sarcasm.
Yeah.
I think I might have been in worse, so we'll see. Oh, I love RVs. You know what? It's actually not that bad. It's not actually that bad. Have you been on a long road trip with it yet?
Yeah. Got it from London, didn't I?
Oh, did you?
Picked it up from South West London.
Did you have no problems coming home?
I had a race with an M4 as soon as I got on the motorway.
Did you beat him?
He couldn't get away.
It's only a Merc, you'll be alright.
Sorry, bro, did I go
his legs. They took his legs off. So I'm back home. It's been quite a long day. Well, it hasn't actually, but it feels like it has. It's been quite a long day. Huge thanks to Ruben. It's amazing, like, what YouTube has like brought, and the, you know, the opportunities it's gave me, and the people that I've met, and the relationships that I've made with people. It's absolutely amazing. I never thought a year ago that I'd be in a position where, you know, I've got so many people in, like, so many new business contacts in a way, and just so many people who want to help me out, and, you know, want to do things with the channel, want to work with the channel. It's absolutely incredible. I never thought I'd get to this point. Obviously I knew that the channel would grow because I'm pretty confident in myself person wise, but I never think it becomes so personal as it has, and, you know, and how many people I've met and the relationships that I've made. I don't repeat myself, but that's the only way I can say it. The friends that I've made doing it, that really is the most important thing. I know a lot of people judge on views and subscribers and that, but I've been on weeks where I've, you know, had loads of views, and I've been on weeks where I've not had many views. But it's really the weeks that you meet new people and you experience these new things and you come across these new businesses. They really what matter at the end of the day. It's so amazing how far I've come in a way where I've got so many contacts in so many different areas, and all them people I see them as really good friends now. And it is a really big journey. It's all just a really fun journey that I can, and I'm just lucky that I can do it now in a way full time where I don't have to have a job as well. Obviously I still do my butler and stuff like that, but it is really truly amazing. And it's literally only made possible by people who come back and watch the vids every single day. I do remember all the people who watch the vids instantly. I remember names of people who comment first, names of people who message me, names of people who order stuff for the website. And it's really you guys that make this possible, and it's a two-way mission really, because, you know, you enjoy watching the videos, and the more you enjoy watching the videos, the more I can create videos that want to be watched. So I literally just want to say, you know, thank you to all businesses that I work with, and especially Ruben today for doing this. Thank you to everyone that I've worked with. Thank you to everyone who wants to, you know, help me and who wants to work with the channel. And then obviously thanks to everyone who actually watches videos as well, because it wouldn't be possible without you guys. And it has totally changed my life. Totally changed my life just from picking up my phone just over a year ago. Just from picking up my phone and just recording something on that shitty fucking Astra. And it's totally changed my life. So thanks for watching, lads. I love you all. I'll see you next time.